I wanted you to look forward in the sunrise, a voice that is louder as I faced another day. It is a new beginning, a brand new hope, even if falling would occur along the way. Walk, run, and jump. Through high and low, move forward. Being with somebody would be comforting, but I realized I need to feel the loneliness. Being far from the comfort zone. As I go to a peaceful nature with a nice ambience. I feel the fresh air with the hymning though I stumble, it is normal to experience the pain before arriving to the success. Every place would be a milestone. In the unknown. And I must believe there could be thousands of reasons to not give up. Could be a billion reasons to start. Keep moving forward. Life is precious and every respiration, every step is a beautiful moment. Because we are young and we only live once. Together, let us take care of the nature. I was looking forward along the way and I saw the beauty of life. Yes, there comes a time that I lost the feeling of happiness, maybe satisfaction. But that could be life. But though along the way, along the journey, I realized it is not time to give up. Because living would be challenging. But take a deep breath and have a hike to the mountains, to the hills and to the valleys. As you enjoy the accompaniment of your friends, family, and loved ones. Take photos, videos, take moments. Go with the nature. Enjoy the ambience. Appreciate the beauty of the environment that is present nowadays. Don't be sad. Don't be happy. But be positive and focus on the things that makes us mentally, physically, and emotionally healthy. Because today is an amazing day wherein we're going to enjoy, feel the water, the cold water that falls. Let us look forward.